My name is Rishabh Java and I like to make things, especially things that help people. And in front of you is one of the projects that I spent quite some time working on. This is the head and the arm of my robot Ferb. Ferb stands for First Person View Based Rescue Bot. He is a 6 feet tall, completely 3D printed, life-size humanoid robot. He's got cameras in its eyes that can track, follow, recognize faces. He's got an AI-enabled chatbot that can speak in 7 different languages. He's got arms. They're currently disassembled because he's undergoing some maintenance, but he's got arms that can help him lift quite a lot of weight, and he's got a wheelbase that you can control from anywhere in the world. He's been built to replace people in life-threatening rescue operations. So situations where it's too dangerous for humans to go, I suggest you send my robot instead. You put on a VR headset and then you can look through his eyes, and using a Kinect sensor, you can control his motion. So you'd move your hands around and look at what he's seeing through the VR headset, and the robot would replicate your actions. I have a strong passion for robotics. So during the pandemic, I had worked upon a second robot of mine named Nyla. Nyla is a service robot built to reduce the direct physical contact between healthcare workers and COVID patients. She's built with an intelligent wheelbase that can again be controlled from anywhere in the world, and she has a slot for you to place an iPad to enable a two-way video stream. The way she works is the medical workers can control her remotely and send the robot instead of physically going to the patient. My robot is also capable of taking key biometrics such as temperature and blood pressure. Plus it has storage space for you to transport things like clothes or food. And after the patient takes out their stuff, she can self-sanitize to prevent cross-contamination between patients.